Hi devs, welcome to Code in Short. And today we're going to start a new series in React.js. So let's dive in. We're going to learn how to use components, props, states, also how to use Axios and set up Redux. But before that, we should know what React.js is. So let me explain to you by giving you a day-to-day example. Suppose you go to a library to learn React. Would you take a book or the whole shelf with you? Taking the whole shelf is a bad idea, and that is what React.js does. React is a JavaScript based library used for designing user interfaces by rendering multiple components together. For creating a React app, we'll go to React.js, scroll down to create React app and copy the first command given inside black box and run it inside the command prompt wherever you want the project to be created. This will create an instance of React.js inside your machine. While React is installing, let me explain to you what components are by giving you an example. Suppose you finished reading a book and then you want to read it again. Do you go to the store and buy a new book and after reading that again to the store to buy the same book? No, you just read the same book, and that is how components inside React work. You don't need to write the same component again and again. You just need to call it wherever you want the component to be shown inside the UI, and the React will take care of rendering it. For example, in page 1 we have component A and B as the top bar and left sidebar, but in page 2 we want to use them as the bottom bar or footer and the right sidebar. React can simply do this by re-rendering them. You don't need to write the code again and again. Basically, in React we have multiple components which can be rendered together, and that is the approach we are going to take. As you can see, React has been installed, so we will go inside the my app directory by using cd my app, and then we can use either yarn start or we can use npm start based on what you have installed in your machine. The React web application will be started. This is what it looks like. Now let us make our first component by creating a new file inside the source dictionary and naming it new component.js file. Inside the file, we will import React from React, and then we will export a default function named the same as a file, which will be our component. The component must be named with the first letter to be capital. This is the naming convention followed by React, so do not forget it. We are going to just print a hi inside this component. Then we are going to app.js file, import the component from the path at which it is located. So we will write import new component from, I think I missed from, so from dot slash new component, and then we can render it inside the app.js file by copying the name and writing it inside the greater than sign slash less than sign brackets. After saving the changes will be seen, and see, hi is been rendering. We have learned how to render components inside React. So devs, if you liked the video, please do share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for you to get notified when we upload the next video of React.js, which will be props. Share these videos with your friends who want to become Stack developers or React.js developers or even Node.js developers. We have a Node.js playlist already on our channel, which would help them in doing so. Till then, have a great day.